A fire event facility rectification project and state significant development, delivered to sewers recycling and recovery at the Wetherill Park Resource Recovery Facility. 302 personnel and 28,620 incident-free work hours are involved. .500 square metres of CSR Hebel panelling are replaced on the steel hyperstructure via a mobile crane. The steel hyperstructure is reclad with 3,500 square metres of blue scope steel colorbond roof sheeting. 540 square metres of custom fabricated steel louvers are installed. 3 ultra-high pressure pumps strip the fire-affected concrete. These pumps feed 1,100 horsepower through 2 Aquajet robot cutters. 100,000 litres of hydro-demolition wastewater is captured and treated on site daily using a custom filtration system. The process is completed in accordance with Sydney Water Treatment Guidelines. The tipping pit is relined with 100 MPa low shrinkage steel-fibre reinforced concrete with leachate resistant admixtures. A 4,000 square metre concrete hardstand and ring road is built to accommodate waste vehicle movements and Fire and Rescue New South Wales appliance perimeter access. A high-hazard sprinkler system, servicing 7,000 squares of floor space, is installed. The new system features a 600,000 litre water tank, 800 lineal metres of new hydrant lines, and 3 fire water pumps. The pumps are enclosed in a custom fabricated pump room. A custom-built occupant warning and alarm system is devised to support the fire sprinkler system. The fire safety upgrade is compliant with the current building regulations. A 4,000 square metre surface area receives 3 coats of rust-oleum paint. In total, this is 12,000 square metres of coverage. Combined with coating the intricate structural steel frame, this paintwork helps transform the facility into a showpiece for sewers. The completion of this fire event facility rectification project and state significant development increased throughput of the asset by 130%. The full potential of the sewers Wetherill Park Resource Recovery Facility is realised. This is another high-spec, value-engineered project delivered by Cornerstone Civil.